Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, at a time when there's a call for teachers in critical subject areas, the story of a young man who's had his dreams of becoming an educator dashed because of his hair. As
Krista Campbell now reports, the university graduate is now discouraged as he contemplates his next move.
They're asking me to cut my hair. Guys, I don't know. This is just out of character for me.
Aspiring teacher Shane Green has been eager to embark on his teaching career in the Jamaican classroom. He got close to fulfilling his dream after a successful interview at a local high school, only to be disappointed when, according to him, he was told his hair was a problem.
When I was told that I had to cut my hair, I had a complete meltdown. I just started crying. I'm not a person who is very emotionally expressive, but that time I was hurt. I was hurt and I was frustrated because, as I said before, I packed my things and I was ready to move. I was ready to start working in that job. And for them to tell me this now, it's like I've been set back again. And that's not a great feeling, you know. Because as I said before, I've been looking for a job for over a year.
He said he was told he'd either have to cut it or...
I was told that I could wear a tam. And I agreed because, you know, if it's their rule, then it's their rule. You know, I agreed. And then I was told that if it's not locked, if it's not locked or if it's not a part of my religion, then I'm not able to wear it.
His specialty areas include English language and literature, two subject areas where the demand is high for teachers as they've been leaving the country in droves to take up opportunities overseas.
If it were a case where my hair is directly impacting students or distracting students, then I would have had an issue. But that's not the case. That's not the case. I believe that this is the 21st century, this is 2023. And as a black man, I believe that this rule, this grooming policy, this prejudice that they have against people who grow their hair, it's just ridiculous.
When we contacted the principal of the high school in question, we were referred to the vice principal, who in turn referred us back to the principal. However, he said no comment. As for what's next for Mr. Green,
honestly speaking, I don't know. I'm still trying to get opportunities. People have been reaching out to me on social media, telling me to apply to different schools and stuff like that. But I feel like because the school in question was my past school, I felt more passionate about teaching there. And this situation kind of just put a damper. This situation now is it's disheartening.
The Ministry of Education has promised to make public the policy for grooming in schools. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.